How to fix critical process died blue error in Windows. 1. Run the Startup Repair tool in Windows Safe Mode. 2. Run chkdskc/f command on Windows. 3. Do a system restore. 4. Run the Find and Fix Blue Screen Problems tool. 5. Update old drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Reset Windows. 7. Do a factory image restore in safe mode. 8. Run DISM. And sfc as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scanhealthism/online/cleanupimage/checkhealthism/online/cleanupimage/restore health.